I'm Guneet Kohli here. I am from 3D Realty, having an experience of more than 20 years in luxury residential sales. आज मैं आपको बताने जाने वाली हूँ एक ऐसे बिल्डर का प्रोडक्ट जो कि आ रहा है at a very prime location in Gurgaon. When we talk about a builder, we have to talk about legacy. And when we talk about legacy, I think one of the oldest names is Godrej. It has a trust which has been built over almost 128 years. एंड इज़ अ हाउस होल्ड नेम. आप जाके अपनी दादी माँ दादाजी से भी पूछेंगे तो सबको पता होगा कि गॉडरेज की अलमारी जो है सबके घरों में होती थी और आज भी वो कहेंगे तो गॉडरेज की अलमीरा इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सिक्योर थिंग्स दैट पीपल विल लाइक टू हैव इन देयर हाउस होल्ड्स. देन कमिंग टू कमिटमेंट टू एक्सेलेंस, Godrej has a very strong focus on innovation, on customer satisfaction and sustainability. Coming to award-winning deliveries, Godrej has had many award-winning project deliveries which have been done over the years. Another major advantage of being with Godrej is they are pioneers in sustainability. Godrej was one of the first real estate companies in India to develop eco-friendly and green projects. Legacy of reliability. Godrej has been there for generations. It has full transparency. It has delivered on its commitments, and customer satisfaction is one on the top priority for Godrej as a brand. Now coming over to the location. The location is Sector 43, one of the prime areas in Gurgaon. Attributes की बात करें इस location की तो I would say first one being connectivity to major hubs. So hubs being Cyber Hub, Sona Road, as well as Huda City Centre, NH8. These are all, I think, very, very accessible from Sector 43 Gurgaon. When we talk about connectivity, the location is very well connected to all major highways as well as the metro station. So it is easily accessible for everyone, either from Delhi as well as in Gurgaon. A thriving ecosystem. So the location is very well set in a premium luxury residential development. There are lots of condos which are already existing. People have been staying there for years. So the ecosystem is already set for somebody to move into this location. High growth potential. Now surrounded by such premium developments, this location has a high growth potential in the future as well as good appreciation aspects as well. A peaceful environment. Being in the middle of everything but surrounded by greens and having openness is one of the big attributes of this location in Sector 43. Last but not the least, social infrastructure. The location is surrounded by schools, hospitals, malls, eating joints, etc. They are all a stone throw away from this location of Godrej. Now we discuss as why Godrej Miraya is an aspirational buy for people who want an address. It is a premium lifestyle offering. Godrej Miraya will be combining functionality as well as luxury in this project. So it would be an address which people can relate their status to. It is an address that you would want to own. Brand association. It would be associated, the brand association is so strong being with Godrej. You are signifying status, trust as well as commitment to quality. Then coming to luxury amenities. The project is going to offer state-of-the-art club facilities and bespoke services as well as all luxury amenities that one can think of. A community of like-minded residents. I think when we sign up for a condominium living, we sign up for our neighbors as well. It is more about celebrating festivals together. So here we can have the trust that we will be having very high-end people, sophisticated people who will be staying here as a commitment to lifestyle as well as a journey in life. Last but not the least, a solid investment. Godrej Miraya would prove to be not only to be a very nice home for your family, but also a solid investment and would appreciate in the years to come. Godrej Miraya is evolving from monotonous living to modern living. How do I say that? It has a cutting edge architectural design. So it is moving away from the monotonous designs where Godrej Miraya is embracing contemporary aesthetics which are sleek, minimal as well as functional. It is very well tailored to modern lifestyle. Now from the design to the floor plans as well as interiors, they are being thoughtfully crafted for the ever-changing and evolving needs of the modern families. maximizing space and light. Godrej Miraya is taking care of maximizing the light that enters your home through larger windows, integrating the indoor and outdoor spaces so as to create an element of openness as well as luxury. Smart home automation. Godrej Miraya integrates technology into living spaces with smart automation for lighting, climate control as well as security systems. Eco-friendly and eco-conscious living. Modern living also comprises today of eco-conscious living. This has been done in this project by use of energy efficient materials, eco-friendly materials as well as green certified buildings. I feel there is a huge demand and supply gap in the luxury residential market in Gurgaon. Now, when I say this, what are the reasons behind this? Number one being there is an increasing number of affluent people. So Gurgaon has seen a lot of high net worth individuals who are staying in Gurgaon and hence require top of the line luxury developments to call their houses. Second being limited premium projects. There is a dearth of, or I would say there are very limited top tier luxury developments in Gurgaon at prime locations which are available for these HNIs. So there is a very high chance, a higher potential of investment. Why would I say that? Is because there is a huge demand supply gap. So there is a high potential